whilst this investment is sorted out by your dad, and then I can leave him because right now I don't really have that much money and the company just started out. Yeah. This other day they're chilling at home with the wife, and then the girlfriend is calling and calling. The husband tells the lady that the wife, I have to go. There's a business meeting. Nyan, they leave. Thank you guys. Nyan, he leaves, and the wife knew exactly where he's going. He's going to the girlfriend because his phone has been going non-stop. Nyan, he leaves, and late at night the wife calls him, and he's in bed with the girlfriend.
Oh my God.
The wife calls him and she's like, how's it going at work? He's like, no, it's a bit busy. Things are hectic here. No, I don't think I'll be able to come back tonight. The girlfriend is not having it. The attitude she's having. I'm like, this is not your man, girl.
They always do that.
She's having the worst attitude ever. And then the wife is like, okay, cool.
I'll be like, I'm outside.
The wife is like, okay, cool. Don't overwork yourself and find breaks to eat. No. And then the wife is like, I love you. Because he has to say it back. And he says it. I love you too.
Oh my God.
The girlfriend stands up and bang.
Oh my God.
The door. The wife had the door banging. She was like, mission complete.
I'm just laughing.
She sleeps, right? And obviously, even though she's doing all these petty things, this is still her husband. She's heartbroken. And this is the father of and now the kid is acting out because also he saw his role model cheating. The kid is stealing at school, getting into fights. It's a whole flipping thing. Fine. This other day now, the husband is like, you know what, wife? It's been quite a while since me and you and our son went out for dinner. Let's make dinner reservation. I want to take you to a fancy restaurant. We're going to have dinner. And She's still pregnant, this one. Nyani, he makes dinner reservation. They go to this restaurant. While they're going to this restaurant, they bump into the girlfriend and the mom. They were shopping. All right, I guess she's friends with the mom. She's like, oh my God, we're going here to have dinner. No. The mom is like, oh, we wanted to go here also, but it takes long to get a dinner. She's like, oh, as we did, you guys should join us. The wife says, you guys should join us. The lady is like, no, mom is fine. The mom is like, no, I wanted to be friends with Dr. Man, but I like her. So I think this is time for us to, get that bond.
To know each other.
So they join them. The husband is fidgeting as fuck. The mom of the girlfriend doesn't know. They don't know that their daughter is dating this husband. Yes,
she's now with the mother-in-law and the wife.
Hey, Baba. The husband is fidgeting. Right? The mother of the daughter is over her mood. Like she's having the great time of her life. Oh my God. No. And then they get to the restaurant, they sit down, they eat. And guess what the doctor says?
What?
How's the situation with your boyfriend?
Oh my
Says to the daughter.
Oh my
The mother is like, what boyfriend? And she's like, oh, I heard that your daughter is seeing someone and it was complicated. No, she was going to make a decision. Did you make a decision?
Oh my
She's asking her about the baby. I said, Jesus Christ of
That's
Nazareth.
a woman.
Saying, did your boyfriend leave the girlfriend he was having for you? I said, what?
Oh my God.
And then she was like, I'm still sorting it out. The girlfriend said, I'm still sorting it out. Saying, oh, okay.
I wish you the best. I wish you the best.
So the father also of the lady was there because he joined them later on. And now she's pissed off the father that my daughter is dating someone and I don't know. And I don't like this idea of her also staying by herself. And stuff like that.
Oh, the daughter stays by herself.
Yes, that's where Okay, fine. The dinner gets done. They meet in the bathroom, the girlfriend and the wife. And the girlfriend is like, as my nurse, aren't nurse supposed to be confidential about stuff like that? You have a running loose mouth.
Oh my God.
What wife, but not loose than you?
Oh my God. Change. Yeah. Drama to drama.
What? My mouth is not looser than you.
Oh my God.
I'm actually sorry. I didn't know it was a secret that you're keeping from your parents.
I thought.
I thought
own you.
Yes, and I thought the husband would have left his wife for you since you're pregnant and all.
Since you're pregnant.
saying, "That's man, my dear child. You're still young.
You won't understand.
You understand?" And then she left. She scored a big one for that. Then she left with her family and said, "Baby, let's go with our son to our home."
Eating the cherry on top.
And then they went home. She was fuming, the girlfriend. She was texting him, calling him. No. She's not answering because she's in a tight spot. And the wife is loving her husband extra today.
She's loving David.
Right?